Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can move columns in your project sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive into this. All right guys, in the first step, navigate to your project sheet. For example, let me go to the workspace and also with this project sheet here for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do guys, first is select your preferred view here at the top. Click into that arrow down icon and select one of these views like table, board, grid, Gantt, card, and so on and so forth. Let me go with table view. And below you will see all your work items and tasks listed in rows and columns. So to move these columns and to change their order, guys, it is super intuitive. All you need to do is hover your mouse over the given column title, like task, for example, and you will see that the cursor will change into or convert into or turn into a hand icon like this. So once that happens, guys, simply left click into the given column, hold your left mouse and simply drag your column to its new position. And you will see that vertical blue line like this, indicating the new position of your column. And once you have found your preferred new position, simply release your left mouse and that is going to move the column to its new position. And that's how it works. However, guys, that doesn't work with priority columns, unfortunately, but with all other columns within your table and sheets, it works perfectly. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.